To change the air filter on this Discovery, we need to remove the 7 screws, Phillips head, that are located on the top of the airbox. There are 3 across the back and 4 across the front. We can then loosen the hose clamp and also clip off the mass airflow sensor connector. Then we can lift the top of the airbox off and twist it out. Remove the old air filter. This one looks quite clean. Cover our intake and blow out the bottom of the airbox. Put our new filter in and make sure it's seated all the way around. And put the airbox cover back on. Getting our sensor connector clipped in. Tighten up our hose clamp. And tighten the 7 screws that hold the airbox together.